Hello everybody. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often discussed but not always well understood: spirituality. What exactly is spirituality, and how can we grasp this concept in simple and easy to understand terms? Well, stick around, because we're going to break it down for you. As Albert Einstein once said, the most beautiful thing we can experience is the mysterious. It is the source of all true art and science. Let's start with the basics. Spirituality is all about your connection to something greater than yourself. It's about exploring the deepest questions of life, like who we are, why we're here, how we are connected to each other, truths about the universe and what our purpose is. It's a journey of self-discovery and inner exploration. As Carl Sagan put it, science is not only compatible with spirituality, it is a profound source of spirituality. Now, here's the key point: spirituality doesn't necessarily have to be linked to religion. While religion and spirituality can overlap, they're not the same thing. Spirituality is more personal and individual. It's about your own unique path to understanding the universe and your place in it. As Richard Dawkins emphasized, the feeling of awed wonder that science can give us is one of the highest experiences of which the human psyche is capable. So, how do people explore their spirituality? Well, there are many paths, and it's a highly personal journey. Here are a few common ways people connect with their spirituality. Meditation. Many people find that through meditation, they can quiet their minds and connect with their inner selves, gaining insights and a sense of peace. As Neil deGrasse Tyson notes, the good thing about science is that it's true whether or not you believe in it. Nature. Spending time in nature can be a spiritual experience for many. The beauty and wonder of the natural world often evoke feelings of awe and connection to something greater. The key is to find what resonates with you personally. Spirituality is about exploring and understanding your own beliefs and values. Now, let's talk about how spirituality can affect our mental health. Many studies have shown that a strong sense of spirituality can have a positive impact on mental well-being. Here's how. Stress reduction. Engaging in spiritual practices such as meditation and prayer can help reduce stress and promote a sense of inner calm. This can lead to improved mental health and emotional resilience. Sense of purpose. Spirituality often provides individuals with a sense of purpose and meaning in life. This can be a powerful buffer against feelings of hopelessness and depression. Social support. Spiritual communities often provide a strong support network. Connecting with like-minded individuals can combat feelings of isolation and loneliness, which are detrimental to mental health. Now, let's discuss how spirituality can impact success in our lives. Clarity of purpose. Spirituality can help you gain clarity about your life's purpose and values. When you have a clear sense of what truly matters to you, you can set more meaningful goals and work toward them with determination. Resilience. Spirituality often fosters resilience. It can help you bounce back from setbacks, stay focused on your goals, and maintain a positive outlook even in challenging times. Ethical decision-making. Many spiritual traditions emphasize ethical and moral principles. This can guide your decision-making in both personal and professional contexts, enhancing your reputation and success. In a nutshell, spirituality is all about your personal journey to connect with something greater than yourself, to understand life's deepest questions, and to find inner peace, purpose, and connection. It's a journey that's as unique as you are. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic of spirituality and made it a bit easier to understand. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to spirituality. Take your time, explore what resonates with you, and embrace the journey of self-discovery, inner peace, and success. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.